I'm here with Nathaniel from Share Ventures, and today we're going to be showing you a Air Hogs super soft stunt shot indoor remote control stunt vehicle. We've had a lot of RC cars here on Share Ventures, but this one here is a super buy. Highly recommend you go out and get this. You can pick it up at Target. They also sell it on Amazon. What makes this car so special is that the wheels are a foam material. And what that means is that it can do all kinds of neat stunts on its roof. It's very easy. You don't run when you run into things. You're not going to break it. As you can see, pretty small overall vehicle. And from a charging perspective, it's a USB cord that plugs into the bottom here. You can see, and then you have the on and off switch for the power, so you don't have to worry about losing the battery or the charging pack for this vehicle. And then it comes with the remote, as you can see Nathaniel there has in his hand, a joystick, one for to turn back and forth and one for speed, reverse and forward. Nathaniel is going to show you some of the neat stunts that this does. Go ahead, Nathaniel, drive it around. Show him when it flips over on its side, what happens. It keeps moving. You can't stop this car. Eventually it will flip back over. That's why we love this thing so much. You can spin it around and do circles. If your kids have one of the cars that commonly gets stuck and you always end up picking it up and having to go get it, this is a super buy. And if you run it into things, go ahead, Nathaniel, run it into something. It doesn't scratch anything. It won't hurt it. It'll turn right back over and flip. We absolutely love this car. We think it's a great buy. I see Target has it on sale online for $24.99, usually for $30. I would say money well spent. Charging time probably didn't take us more than 20 minutes, 30 minutes max. And we've been playing with it now for about 5-10 minutes and still looks like it has pretty good battery life left on it. When have you ever seen a remote control car do something like that? What do you think, Nathaniel? Do you like this car?
Yes.
Whoa. And you can run it into your toes and it still doesn't hurt, huh? Absolutely one of the coolest cars I've ever seen. Even reverse is just as about as fast as forward. And folks, one thing you would just not expect is this car is super light. When you pick it up, it can't weigh more than 2 pounds. It may even weigh a pound. Let me see that, Nathaniel. Bring it over here. It is just very, very light. It's almost like a feather. I've never seen a remote control weigh that much. Remote control car.
Yes, with the plastic too.
Yeah, with the plastic and everything. And for the charger, the USB charger, like I said, you could just plug it into any plug that you have for USB. As you can see, this thing is just out of control amazing. It'll run into you. It doesn't hurt. Certainly one of our favorite cars now that we have. And it'll climb on things too. It'll climb over. Look at that. Right onto the plastic, no problem. It just gets right back up. You can't stop it. It's unreal. Show everybody how it goes in circles, Nathaniel. Spinning around. Whoa. I'm gonna get dizzy from that. This is Nathaniel Share Ventures. Go ahead and hit that like button. Make a comment below. Thanks for coming and watching us today. Have a great day.